Okay, so this is my homepage, and we need to go to the. Yesterday we also discussed about APIs, no sir. This
Yeah,
one.
permissions are added on to APIs, right?
Yeah,
There
yeah,
is not a
exactly.
separate section for permission, right?
Yes, yes. In
Yeah.
the APIs itself. So do I need to create an API first?
Then how are we going to do if we don't create an API?
So
What API are going to create? What are you going to put the name of? What membership? No, you are having
uh,
three applications of delivery app and this customer app and restaurant
yeah,
app or
yeah, yeah.
something, right?
Yes, yes. Hmm.
You have those.
Orders
Do you
API.
have those applications? Just check, go
Uh,
to applications and see if that is there or not. Okay, so delivery app application is there. So for delivery app, what API can you create? Orders API is used to view the orders and display the order details, right? For a delivery person, how is that useful? For a delivery person, he can retrieve his delivery address or delivery API, something like that, right?
yes,
Or
sir.
a Google Maps API, something like that you can do, right?
Yes, for the delivery. For
Yeah.
the delivery executive.
Yeah. Think about that logic, okay? Which API
Hmm.
is able to relate to the application that you have created? According to that, you should be making. Now go back to APIs and start creating.
Shall I name it as uh, location API?
Okay, fine. Get location API, something like that.
Hmm. Okay. Get location API. Okay.
Hmm. Yeah.
Okay. The identifier.
Identifier, how did I explained it, right? Do you remember anything regarding identifier? A concept I know I have explained it, but did I not tell you how the URL is going to be for identifier? Yeah. Why do you need two colon, full colon? Only one
Uh,
colon is required, right?
yes, yes. Which one do I need to call?
Anything like just put API dot, I'm just guessing something, API dot kickbyte,
Hmm.
API.com, what do you mean by that? API dot
Yeah.
kickbyte.com slash get location, something like that. API,
Okay.
something like that. So this identifier, this hyperlink that I mean URL that you entered there, does
Hmm.
it have to be redirected to an actual website or not? Auth 0 does not detect or identify check whether this is redirecting to an actual website or not. You can
Okay.
give any hyperlink over there.
Hmm.
If you given the right hyperlink only, then only everything will work. Otherwise, it won't work. But that doesn't mean that Auth 0 will show an error or something. Okay. Right now, does this identifier or API, I mean URL exist? No, right? Yes, that's what I'm trying to say. So it doesn't need to exist. So your answer should be no. It doesn't always
Okay.
have to be redirecting to an actual website. It
Okay.
can also redirect to an actual service or a dummy service or an empty thing, whatever it is.
Hmm.
Okay.
Okay.
So what is the other name for identifier?
Audience
Why do we use the identifier for?
to just identify. I mean,
Identify how? What is that word I'm trying to say? It's in front of you itself. That one small word. What is ID card for you? What is your ID number for you? What is it used? It is used to identify, right? It is used to uniquely identify you, right?
yes, correct, sir. Uniquely identify someone.
Yeah, because your employee ID won't be there for anyone else as well, right?
Mm-hmm. Yes.
No, that's what identifier does. So what does identifier do? It helps you to uniquely identify an API that has been set for auth 0.
Okay. It uniquely identifies the API set for auth 0.
Below the identifier, you can see, right, it's written unique identifier for the API. This way will be used as an ODS parameter or authorization clause,
Mm-hmm.
right?
Hmm.
Yeah, that's all.
Identifier cannot be changed later.
Hmm. It cannot be changed later. Okay.
It uniquely identifies the API.
Scroll down, scroll down. Okay, what is that? What is the JSON signing algorithm? We discussed it yesterday as well. You said you will be going through as well. So what is the most common algorithms used in APIs? Like which signing algorithm is used?
This one only, sir. RS-256.
Okay, good, fine. Now scroll down.
Okay.
Okay, now explain to me the three types of access policies that are present for applications. That all apps allowed, per app authorization, and no apps allowed. What does all three things mean? And how is it linked with API?
Yes, sir. Three types of access policy for applications, sir. All apps allowed, per app
Mm-hmm.
authorization, and no apps allowed.
Mm-hmm. Okay.
So So if we select all apps allowed, then
Mm-hmm.
all the apps can get the permissions. Okay, using
All the
the
apps will
API.
get the permissions. Yeah, okay, fine. We'll get access to this thing.
Yeah,
Okay, fine.
yeah, they'll get access. Uh, yeah, they'll get access using the APIs.
Okay,
Okay, per app means only selected apps,
okay,
and
fine. You will
only
just select which apps will get which, right?
yeah, we will be having
Okay.
an option to select which apps
Okay, okay,
should get the permission. No apps
okay,
allowed means no apps allowed means nothing. Other apps cannot get the permissions.
okay, fine.
Okay, so these are the three access policy for applications. So
Okay.
generally we'll be selecting this per app
All right,
authentication.
yes. By default, we'll be selecting that.
Yes.
Okay, now create the API.
Okay.
After creating, you need to set the permissions, right?
Yes, sir. Once the API is created, we need to set the permissions.
Yeah.
Hmm.
So in case of location, what sort of permissions do you think? Do you think you'll get the read permission, write permission, create permission? What type of permission will only be there?
We cannot get the right permission for the location because it is
Yeah, exactly.
saved.
Hmm.
So only we can have the read permission.
Yeah, good. But
Okay.
okay, I'm glad that you understood that example in that sense. But for
Hmm.
our example's sake, we'll be adding all four permissions. Okay, like read, create, update, and delete. Okay.
Okay. We
Okay.
generally
Now
call it
add
as we
CRUD
generally call them
operations.
as yeah CRUD operations. Sir. Yeah.
Okay, fine. So just add those things there. Read.
Here here, sir.
Yeah. No, no, no. That is a description, right? You need to add the permission name to the left.
Okay. Okay. Here. Yeah. Read.
It should be all small letters.
Okay. Read. And shall I put the comma?
Colon. Yes. Full colon.
Colon. Okay.
Then read what? Location. Write location. All those things just enter.
Create.
No, no. Why are you adding? Why are you doing like that, man? Read, write everything all together. Did we do it like that yesterday? No, right.
You told that we need to put a colon in between.
Colon in between the name and the
Oh, okay.
permission. This thing. Read location. That's how we do it, right?
Yeah, 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 yeah. Yes, sir.
After adding one
Okay.
permission, then we add the
We need
next
to give the
permission, right?
description. Yeah, we need to give the description here.
No, Pavan, read what? What are we reading?
Location.
Remove that read entirely.
Okay.
Yeah, see how that is written there. That a placeholder is there.
Oh, okay. Yeah,
Read
yeah.
what? Appointments, like that.
Okay.
That's how the scope should be present. Okay.
Okay. So read. Uh, shall I put the address or location?
Okay, fine. Address is fine.
Okay, address. So here, small description.
Yeah, of what that permission will allow you to do or something.
This permission allows us to read the address. Add. Okay, it's added. Next,
Okay. Now add the right permission.
write or modify. Can I also use
And
modify?
modify will add update. This is like, and let's not put right. Let's make it as create.
Okay, done, sir. So these are all the list of permissions.
Okay, all things are added, right?
Hmm.
Okay, now what do we have to do? We have to add this API to what? These permissions are added to
To
what?
these APIs must be added to the applications.
Is it the applications? This application with this API will be created as a M2M application already, right?
Yeah,
Don't you remember roles, permissions, users? The permissions are added to what? Roles, right?
yeah, sir. Yes, correct. So okay, these permissions need to be
Why were you saying applications? Now,
delivery
which
partners.
role will have, yeah, delivery partners, exactly.
Okay,
Good.
and here permissions
Yes. Add permission.
and permission. We need to add all those APIs
First,
created.
select the API. Select the API which you have created.
Okay,
Okay, good.
next.
Now what and all permissions you're gonna give?
Read address and
Mm-hmm.
create is also
Yeah, you can give whatever. Just give two or three of. That's it.
read and update. If the
Yeah. Okay.
address is
Fine.
wrong, delivery
Okay.
will
Fine.
be okay. Add permissions.
Okay. Okay.
Answer added permissions to the roles.
Okay.
Users are also there.
Okay. Fine. So the now go to that user.
Okay.
Any user that is in delivery application there.
These users that have, these are all
Just click.
delivery.
Just click. Just click the any user.
Okay. Okay.
Now see if that user has received the permission or not.
Here. Yeah. Select an API to view permission.
Which API has been assigned?
This one.
Yeah. Select it. There you
Yes.
have it.
Yeah.
So we did not directly assign any sort of permission to the user, right? We just assigned it to the role, and
Hmm.
through that role itself, the user has been able to get all these permissions, right?
Hmm. Okay, sir.
Hmm. Understood, no?
Yes, sir. So first, going into the APIs,
Yes.
yeah, we need to create a permission.
Ah.
Okay. After creating the permissions, we need to assign those to the roles. Okay.
Uh-huh.
Then
Yes.
roles, then roles to the users.
Okay. Good.
So
I
in
mean,
the
that's all right.
yeah, by clicking on the user, we can see what all permissions are assigned.
Hmm. Fine. Good. So that's it for permissions. And
Okay.
yesterday at the end of the session, I asked you to go through a couple of things as well, right? Do you remember? Something
Uh,
not related to permissions, or it was something else?
you told me to go through permissions, signing algorithms, action logs, and log streams. That one.
Yeah, exactly. Yes. So I don't want you to create a log stream or something at all. Just show me this thing. Okay.
The logs.
Just show me the page and then just give me a brief demo or like a seminar sort of thing on what log streams are and what is it, logs are, what are we, why do we use logs, everything.
I remember logs like each and every moment or each and every action will be recorded. Whatever we are
Hmm?
doing in the Auth0 platform.
Open the page, no, open the logs monitoring page.
Yeah, logs. Yeah. Yes, sir. Whatever we did just before, they are all recorded here. Like
Yeah,
creating an API and all. If we open this log, let's suppose. So
yes.
description updated resource server. Okay, and this is the JSON description. Okay, client ID.
You don't have to explain that much
Yeah,
about it.
yeah, yeah.
It
Okay.
just showed everything. Okay.
Yes. So this is about the log simply. So
Okay.
each and every action what we do in the Auth0 platform will be recorded.
Okay. Fine. Then what about log stream? What is log streams?
Uh, yeah. Uh, it's like it's like giving the data to some third party uh, to store to store to store it.
Is it just for storage?
No, sir. I here we are having yeah for storage analysis and event triggering for
Hmm.
analyzing the data and event triggering means
Event triggers means after something if an event, if any of an event happens, that will trigger another event or any other action.
Okay.
So, for example, trigger means that suppose you have created an account in let's say Microsoft. So
Mm-hmm.
the event trigger of Microsoft of creating account will happen, and when that happens, another event of creating account in our Outlook, creating account in Office 365, creating account in Microsoft Word, all these things, everything you will get access, right? So that will
Yeah.
happen through that event trigger. Like if this is completed, next thing will go like that.
Like notification will be coming, right, sir?
Notification,
So
not like yeah, notification as well. Like for example, you have subscribed to a YouTube channel as well. And a
mm-hmm.
trigger event is that when the video is getting uploaded, that will trigger the notification on your phone.
Mm-hmm.
New video has been uploaded, right?
Okay, right, sir.
And that's similar to that itself. That's how it is.
Mm.
Okay.
Yeah, sir.
Then okay, so I'm glad that you understood these log screens as well and the other part as well. Okay. All is
Action logs
fine.
also we have seen, sir. I
No, we
think
have not. We have not. We have not. We need to
yeah.
do actions first, and after that only we can go through
Okay.
action logs. Okay.
Okay, sir.
So today, basically, it's like social logins and MFA and end-to-end authentication. These sort of things we'll try to do. Okay,
Mm-hmm.
that's the conceptual thing that we are trying to do here. Okay. So hope you remember the flow, how we works. The customer will click onto the Auth0 website, and then Auth0 will come. I mean, QuickByte website, and Auth0 will be coming in between. It will have database connection and seeing the user token and everything and all. It will authenticate the user, and it will be
Mm,
providing the access token, right?
mm,
And then
mm,
we'll receive the order API or whatever API it has permission to. It will get access to it, right?
mm. Yes,
So
sir.
when a user is logging in through normal database,
Mm.
the password and everything will be stored in the database, right?
Yes.
Meaning the application does not store any password, right?
Okay.
Right.
Uh,
Is there any
which application?
doubt with that? In an application,
Like
the application does not store the passwords, right? It is being stored in the database, right?
correct, sir. Normal applications, if we talk about
Any
it.
application, especially in our application sake, even in Auth0 sake, in
Mm,
Auth0 itself does not hold it. It holds into a separate database or its own database, right?
correct. Yeah.
Yeah. So hopefully you know what's the difference between access token and ID token as well, right?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yesterday night I explained.
Okay, so that is good.
Mm.
Then what will be going on is the I want to show an example, but I'm not getting what to say. Suppose regarding the example, what can I say? Mm,
About which topic, sir? Example?
yeah, okay, fine. Like regarding the social login itself, okay.
Okay. Mm-hmm.
So what it is like, see, there will be, let's suppose in our application there are several restaurants, right? Let's say
Mm.
KFC is there, Domino's is there, Pizza Hut, all these things are there, right?
Yes, yes.
So all these restaurants will have what to say, same employees as well. Meaning not same employees, employees as well, right? So what I'm asking is, all the employees should we be treating it as equal? No, right?
Mm.
We shouldn't be
No.
treating the all employees like. See, KFC will have employees, right?
Mm. Mm.
Domino's will have employees.
Mm.
Pizza Hut will also have employees.
Mm.
So all
One will
these
be
three
manager. Yes, sir.
yeah.
One will be manager. One will be
No, that
reception.
is fine. Anything it can be, anything it can be. They
Okay.
can be of any role. Okay. They're just
Mm-hmm.
workers, right? They have all have this many employees. Just treat it like that. Okay. So
Okay.
should our application treat everything as employees itself? For example, let's say no, yeah, for like not like that. It should be. It should be like employees of restaurant A, employees of restaurant B, employees of restaurant C. That's how it should be representing, right? Are you
Mm-hmm.
getting it? Not like
Yeah.
employees as a whole, right?
You're telling different branches. So each
Yeah,
branch
not
will
like
be
not branches, and different restaurants only.
different restaurants only. Okay.
Yeah, like
Then
Domino's, Pizza Hut, KFCs and all. It should be distinguished, right? It should be differentiated, right? The employees.
yes, KFC employees are different. Domino's employees are
Yeah,
different.
yeah.
So
Like that itself, this KFC should not be able to see the other restaurants' order history, details, the management
correct,
system.
correct.
Nothing should be seen, right? So the
Yes.
employment portal or the restaurant portal for the KFC when they are logging in, it should be different. And
Hmm.
also same for the other application, which should also be different.
Hmm. 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 Okay.
Okay. So
Yeah.
over here, the restaurants like, such as KFC, all these things, these are gonna be acting as an organization.
Hmm.
Okay. So organization one, organization two, organization three. Okay. In that organization, when there are separate branches, such as Nexus Mall branch or Forum Mall branch, something like that for KFC, that is coming under organizational group.
Okay.
Okay, is
Hmm.
that understand? Okay. So right
Organization,
now, organization group over here, like
organization,
enterprise
and
group.
organization groups. Yeah. Yeah.
Yeah,
Both are
if
different.
yeah, both are different. If the organization has several branches, then
Hmm.
that branches can be a list of enterprise groups. Okay, so what we'll do here is that we are going to create a small organization. Let's name it as Domino's.
Hmm.
Okay, I'll create a Domino's here.
Hmm.
Going to add the organization here. It is.
Hmm.
Okay, organization has
Hmm.
been added here. Here it is. It's saved, right? Now, what now we have what do we have to do? We have to like suppose that now the restaurant is everything is there. So this name is there. It is like an identifier. Okay, it should be unique so that we can in the code and everything it will be easy to identify and everything. Okay, that's why this is there. Now it has the members over here. Members means the users who belong to this application. I mean, me not belong to this organization. Okay,
Yeah.
so
Okay.
over here I have only created one user only. So I'll just create I'll just create a bunch of users. Okay.
Okay.
So going with the users here. So I need to import users. And now it has given me these things. Yes, I'll have to delete Sarah Connor for that. Just delete her.
So you are saving this JSON data. I mean, all the
Yes.
employee data into the notepad in our last class
Yeah.
while
I'm going to
creating the
import
users.
those users. So what should I click? I have to add the users, right? So which should I be clicking? Export or import?
Ex- Export, sir.
Pawan, seriously?
One second. Wait, wait, wait.
I'm
So you're
I'm adding users onto Auth0. So which should I click? Export or import? Import, right?
import, yeah, import.
Are we really clear about that? Because I really
Yes,
don't
yes.
think you are clear right now.
No, no, I'm clear, sir.
Why is there no connection showing here?
So, do we need to create a database? Uh,
No, like there has to be the connection should be established there only. See, this connection is there
okay.
only. So this connection should be shown here when I'm importing the user, right?
Yeah, yeah,
So
yeah.
suppose the connection is shown here. I'm clicking import export here. I'm clicking on import. This thing, it's not showing anything.
Maybe refreshing would help.
I'm doing that. So no connection is shown there. Okay, well, you know what? You have your 10 users with you, right? Now you create this on your own, okay?
Auth users in JSON format.
Mm.
Use Indian names and desktop all files.
Mm-hmm.
Uh,
You
what
should
should I
say
say?
auth0 users or members.json
Auth0 users. Okay.
or
Yeah, yeah.
json.
I've done it, sir. I've done it. Okay. Now going to the first, you need to create the user, sir.
Yes.
Okay. So this one, right? No.
Yes. No, no, no. No.
First you need to create
You
an
have to import
organization.
them. No, 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 no. Import the users only. After that, we'll create the user.
Okay, okay. Where is that
Where
file?
did you save it?
Source file, desktop. This one, Auth0 users. Open. Connection, user password authentication.
Hmm. Import
Yeah.
users.
Okay. Import
Now
job
check
is, that.
whether uh, it's shown completed with error.
No,
Why?
no, there's no error, sir.
No. It says, see down, see the status.
Oh,
It
oh,
says
here,
completed with error, right? So what happened there is that in all the 10 users that ChatGPT has given, already we inputted. You understood? So open the chat where you
okay,
created the previous 10 users and edit that. Okay. Go to ChatGPT
okay,
and see where, see all this. I think there will be some issue with this JSON file because this is not how we type in Auth0, right?
yeah, sir.
You see your previous Auth0 file. Is this how it's written? No, right?
No, sir. I will have to check it.
See, that is different, right?
Yeah,
So ask ChatGPT to give it in this format, not the entire, just first user or something, and tell it that the users you have entered is incorrect. This is not how things should be. So
hmm.
just it should be of this format or something like that. You put. Okay.
Okay, okay. So, do I need to remove these users
No,
or
no,
else?
no, no, no. You don't have to. Just import another new one. That job is completed with error. Like none of them has been imported, so don't worry.
So no user has been created from auth0 users file, JSON file, right,
No,
sir?
no, 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 no.
Till.
It's all been showed or cancelled. Like you can see that status over there.
Mm-hmm. Yeah. So I selected this and open.
So just go to the completed with error. You can see what the error is. Like below.
This one, sir. Failed 10 of the.
That means no 10 has been inserted, right? Zero is inserted.
Yeah, sir. Yeah, correct.
Yeah,
Inserted 10
10
coded.
users are inserted.
Yeah,
I'll
committed.
check whether those users have been entered in
Yeah,
inserted
yeah.
or not. Okay.
Okay, going to users. If I see Indian names, then all these people have been inserted.
Okay. Fine. Good. Now let's create the group organization.
So only 10 users will be seeing here, sir,
You can
in this
scroll
page.
down, right?
No,
Scroll
I mean,
down. Two pages are shown. No.
yeah, yeah, two pages are shown. In one page, 10 people will be there.
No,
10
my
users.
guess. I don't know. Maybe 10, 12 or something. I'm not sure
Okay,
about that.
okay, okay, fine, sir.
In the every, if there are like, see, this is only 20 users. Like, if there is 400, 500 users, what are you gonna do?
Hmm.
400, 500 leave. If they're in Play Store, you can see that one application has a million downloads. So
Yeah,
all those million users will be present.
yes.
Get it?
Yeah, sir. Got it.
That's what I'm trying to say. Okay, now create the organization now.
Okay. Uh,
Go to
organizations.
organizations. Scroll down,
Create
create an
organization.
organization. Yes.
Shall I put
Let's
Dom?
say Domino's or KFC, anything, your wish.
Okay. Pizza Hut.
Okay, Pizza Hut. Fine. Now put the display name.
Display name is Pizza Hut. Add organization.
Yes.
Okay.
Now change the logo to Pizza Hut's logo.
Copy image address.
Yes.
Yeah. Changed, sir.
Yeah. Good. Fine. Scroll down and save it.
This one, right?
Let's see.
Okay.
Yeah.
Save. Logo URL should be varied HTTPS. Uh,
Just paste it once more.
uh,
It won't come
not
like
getting.
that. Go again. Yeah. Now go to images and then save it. Like open the image and then save it. Yeah.
Okay, this one, right?
Yeah.
Copy image
Image
address.
address. Yes.
Yeah.
Now it's
Then
come, right? It's not come yet.
it went blank.
Delete everything and paste again.
Yeah.
Yeah. Save it.
Yes.
Scroll down and save it.
Yeah.
Done, right?
Changes have
Yeah.
been saved. Okay.
Okay.
Organization has been created. Now,
Now what
uh,
do you have to do? You have to add the members, right?
I have a small confusion here, sir.
Okay.
So
What happened?
inside the organization, we'll be
Mm-hmm.
having members. So let's take an example of Pizza Hut. So
Mm-hmm.
we'll be having members. So this enterprise groups means branches, right? Under this
Yeah,
organization.
branches of Pizza Hut, exactly.
Okay, got it, sir. So members. Shall I click on add members?
Yes.
Add members. Here we need to select the people.
Add
R
like
of
five people or something.
R of
Any five
Sharma.
people. Five members have been added. Okay. So these are the five people who belongs to this organization now. Okay.
Okay.
Now go to connections. So what connections here does is that which type of login method is allowed for this organization. Okay.
Hmm.
For this organization login, which type of connection methods are we allowing? Is it social?
Hmm.
Is it database? Is it passwordless? Anything? Okay.
Okay. Okay.
So add a connection for that.
Sir, generally, the login pages will be having multiple connection methods, right, sir?
Hmm. Hmm.
So we'll be having social connections. We'll be having fields like username and password,
Yeah,
right?
exactly. All these things will be enabled for that.
These all comes under the connections.
Yeah, in connections, let's add out like database connection will be as default. It will be there all the time, like username, password, these things.
Hmm.
Right.
Okay.
Apart from that, we are gonna add what sort of connection? Just click add connection. Which connections you
Is
have created?
is this database connection or what is this, sir?
Check
Login.
there. Which is the database connection and which is social connection? We only have social and database connection here. No,
Yes,
not
sir.
database connection. Two types of connection here.
Yeah,
Username,
Facebook
password
and
authentication is what?
username password authentication. This one,
That is what? What type of connection is that?
database connection,
Okay. What is Google and Facebook
so,
login?
social connections.
Okay, fine. So add first database connection. Add that first, username, password authentication.
Okay. Add connection.
Yeah, add connection.
Okay. Successfully enabled one connection for this organization.
Yeah, name that connection anything.
Naming the database connection for that
Yeah,
Pizza Hut.
DB connection, Pizza Hut, something like that you can put.
Okay.
So that a standalone connection is created for that users only. Okay.
Hmm. Okay. Pizza Hut DB connection.
Okay. Fine. That's it. Save. Save that.
Okay. Successfully
Scroll down.
changed.
That's it. I think that's all. That's it for that thing. That connection
Okay.
has been set up now. Okay.
Sir,
Now go back.
delegated access means, can you explain in simple words like what is delegated?
Let's see. What do you mean by the term delegated? What's the term meaning of that?
I usually heard about delegates, people coming from
Yeah. Yes.
different
Like
places.
higher authority people, so something
Yes.
like some special guest sort of person, right?
Hmm.
So
Yes.
what it is that this organization will have an admins of their own, right?
Okay.
So what sort of access these admins will have on our Auth0 platform? So or there is an API known as my what to say Auth0 My Organization API something
Hmm.
where where everything like all the details of the organization, these things, right? What we're
Hmm.
creating will be access to. So
Okay.
does this restaurant admins have the access to this admin delegate? I mean this level of admin access or not on Auth0? That is what's called delegated access. If you have
Hmm.
clicked in none, I mean we don't need to give them these access, right? These things are done by other engineers, right?
Hmm.
Like Auth0
Okay.
access for these things and all. So that's why we
Hmm.
are not giving any delegated access to any of the restaurant admins. Okay,
Hmm.
understood?
Yes, sir.
Unless there are like people present in the restaurant who can manage these things and everything, that time we'll give
Hmm.
them limited access. Okay. Full
Hmm.
delegated access is mostly like 99% of the time they won't be giving. No one will be given
Okay.
full delegated access. Okay.
Okay. Okay, sir.
Okay, understood?
Okay. Yes, sir.
And now go back to organizations. Let's see if the connection is there
Going
or
back.
not. To organization itself.
Okay. List of
Go to
organizations.
Pizza Hut.
Pizza Hut.
Yeah. Pizza Hut.
Okay.
See if the connection is there or
And
not.
here, yeah, it's there, sir.
Yeah, it's there. Okay, fine. Good. Now what it is like invitations. Invitations means that click on invitations.
Okay.
So invitations is like adding members itself, but in a more consensual manner. Okay. So
Mm-hmm.
suppose
Mm-hmm.
I'm giving like for example members. Click on members. Click on members page. It's like what to click on members. No,
Yeah,
members
yeah, yeah.
page. What
Okay.
happens is that we are directly adding the users. We are not asking for
Okay.
their consent. We are not informing them. We are not saying to them anything. We are just adding them like just like that, right?
Mm. Yes, sir.
So when you go to invite again.
Invitations.
Invitations. Over there,
Mm.
click on invite members.
Okay. Okay. Invitation members invite members from different applications.
Yeah, like for example, you will be sending them an email or something like
Mm.
that. Okay. And then you will
Yes, sir.
ask them to join. It's like a mail sort of letter sort of thing. Understood?
For example, for example, if there is a different organization called Domino's, and if we want to invite members from that organization, we'll be
Yeah,
clicking on
from
this
yeah,
button and do
we
that.
can click on this as well. Yeah, fine. Or
Okay.
if there is a normal member there who has not yet been added onto the organization, for them also it will be sent through this. They'll be receiving an email or something. You can see that send invites my email or anything, right?
Yes,
You don't
sir.
have to
Yes, sir.
invite any member right now, but that's how it will be gone.
Okay.
Okay, let's go back
So
again.
you're saying individual members can also be invited.
Yeah, that's how we normally get. If I send this invitation to you, you will be
Hmm.
opening the mail, and when you click, okay, I am in, or like, okay, I can join, something like that. That time you will
Hmm.
be added as a member to our organization. Understood?
Okay. Oh, small doubt, sir. But here
Okay.
we need to select an application, no, sir.
Select
So
the
for
application, what it is.
no,
Because
for individual
users
member.
see. Okay, that's what I'm saying. How is
Uh,
the users being created onto an what to say, auth 0 through
hmm.
applications, right? Right now
Yes,
we are
yes,
created it through JSON and everything. So through
yes.
which application this basically we have created Pizza Hut. So which
Hmm.
application we should select here? Select
Pizza
the
Hut.
application. Which application?
Actually, I'm not getting any applications, sir. No
Just
applications matching. Okay,
enter a
I
word,
need to.
right?
Correct, correct, correct. Yes, sir.
Pizza. Do we have a pizza application?
Uh,
What are the three
pizza.
applications that we created? Pawan, go check again.
Yeah, yeah.
Check, 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 check.
Quick
Yeah,
bite
but
delivery
we
app.
cannot access Pizza Hut with the quick buy delivery app right now, right? Because what
Correct.
to say, a restaurant app should be given to them, right?
Mm-hmm.
So that's what it is.
Correct.
Okay,
Okay.
go to organizations also. Like,
Mm.
let's see if quick buy delivery app is being shown there or not.
Yeah,
So
I
the
actually got.
users that have come to us
Mm.
through quick buy delivery applications will be invited. That's how it is. Okay, scroll
Yes, sir.
down.
I actually got confused between this organization and application, sir. I thought
Okay, okay,
this is also so that's why I told Pizza Hut. Yeah.
okay. Just click on it. Click on it. Pizza Hut is
Okay.
the organization. No?
Mm. Yes, sir.
Go to invitations, see if our delivery app is visible there or not.
Mm. No, sir. It's not
Invite
visible.
member, you haven't selected it, right?
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
I'm asking there, your application, is it visible there or not?
Yeah. Sorry, sorry, sorry.
Okay, leave it, fine. Leave that.
They must accept. They must accept the invitation from one of your organization enabled applications.
We haven't connected the application, I feel, to the organization. Go back.
Okay. Yeah, yeah, going back.
I mean, in connections itself, it should be given there itself. Okay, go to applications. Our application, not over here. Go to our
Okay.
applications.
Okay.
Go to our Quick Buy Delivery app.
Okay.
Go to API access.
Okay.
Okay, get location API is there, but it does not have. Okay, fine.
It's
Settings.
connections.
Go
Okay.
connections. The organizations won't be shown there. Go to connections. You will see that connections.
Okay.
It's like what sort of connections are enabled for the application, right?
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
So yeah, I think there will be some sort of bug there. That's the only thing I can say. Otherwise,
Okay.
it should already be linked. Whatever application is present here, it should be linked with that itself. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, now let's just add a normal Google login for it as well. Okay.
Okay,
Well,
sir.
let's add one social login for our application like Pizza Hut itself. Okay.
For the organization Pizza Hut.
Yeah. Yeah. Add a social login as well. Let's put it as Gmail.
Okay. So
Where you will go.
connections,
Yeah.
add connections.
Okay.
Google or Facebook, sir? Google.
Google.
Okay. Add connection. Okay. Uh,
Name it as Pizza Hut Google or something.
Pizza Hut.
Hmm.
Google. Hmm. Organization none. Okay. Save.
Okay, so basically, it's a social login. So over here, auth 0 is not the one who is authenticating the user. When you're putting in Google login, Google is going to be authenticating because auth
Hmm.
0 is using a third party connection sort of thing, right? Social connection, no.
Yeah.
So authentication is happening within the third party application that is Google. Okay,
Hmm. Okay.
that's all. Then, but the tokens and everything will be issued by auth 0.
Okay.
Okay.
Hmm.
Anywhere where authentication is happening, all the tokens are issued by auth 0 only. Just that user authentication, like which user is being authenticated, these sort of things, depends
Hmm.
upon which connection is being used. Okay,
Okay.
understood?
Yes, sir.
Okay, that's all. Now we'll just go through groups also. What is groups? Go to groups. So what is we haven't created any groups for this, so that we need to create enterprise groups as well. So I was told you like for Pizza Hut in one section of the place, Pizza Hut in another section of the place, some sort of branches like it, right?
Hmm. Hmm. Hmm.
That's what
Yes,
this
sir.
does. That's what exactly this does. Okay.
Okay. Okay.
Hopefully it's
So
simple to understand.
yeah.
Yeah. Now going with okay, now we've seen like how these multiple businesses are supported with these organizations and how each organization will have multiple login process, like social login will be there, the other
Hmm.
logins will be there.
Hmm.
Now what it is after we execute our business logic,
Hmm.
immediately after logging in, for example,
Hmm.
what sort of systems or what sort of actions should the user come into? Are you getting what I'm saying? So when the user is logging in, it's going to a dashboard thing, right? But through the
Yes.
dashboard, what are the things that the user can get access to? Understood?
Okay. Hmm.
So those sort of things is what we'll be looking into next. Okay.
So you're saying once the user logs in, what sort of access he's getting?
Yeah, and yeah, what sort of access it is getting? What sort of actions should be
Okay.
performed? That's what I'm trying to say. Okay.
Okay. Okay. So yeah, sir. We'll be doing this in our next class.
Okay. Well, everything you've demonstrated on your own itself. So okay, by that time, let's say, okay, I'm giving you a small assessment sort of thing right now itself. I'm not gonna say anything. Okay.
Okay.
I want you to create a a restaurant application. Okay.
Hmm.
I want to
Okay.
create a restaurant application. And I want
Okay.
you to create a role known as restaurant. I like already, I think the role is there. What I
Hmm.
want you to do is create an API for
Huh.
restaurant management. Like, okay,
Okay.
write that now. Do it
Yeah.
right now itself. Okay. I want to see
Yes,
that.
sir. Yes,
First
sir.
thing is create a restaurant application.
Hmm.
Okay.
Hmm.
Then create the API. with permissions to manage the restaurant. Okay.
Hmm.
Then after that, you need to assign those permissions to the roles and assign
Okay.
those to people. Okay. Assign those to like, I don't know, 5, 6 people. Okay.
Okay.
And create a new organization for this restaurant. Let's say KFC or Domino's. And
Hmm.
then add this members there as well.
Okay.
And also add their login should be database login as well as Facebook login, both.
You mean the connections?
Yeah, connections.
Okay.
That's it. Do all these things right now itself. You don't have to. You can explain or anything. I'll be listening. Okay, I'll be seeing mostly.
So this seems to be a huge task, sir. So
No, it will be done really quick. You don't have to insert users or anything. No, just do it slowly itself. Because if
okay.
you do this on your own, I'm not gonna say anything. Like you will be just speaking all these things and then saying. Then you'll if you understand the flow, then Auth0 is done for you.
Yeah.
Quickbite restaurant application. What else?
Okay. It's
Put
already
Quickbite. You have created Quickbite delivery, right? So our
yes.
application will be Quickbite restaurant application.
Okay. Big restaurant.
What's happening, Pawan?
Sir,
What's wrong with the name? All these
I'm
things.
yeah, I'm creating an API named as view menu, sir.
Okay, view menu API.
Okay. This API
Or just
fetches.
name it menu API. View, create, all these things will be the permissions in the API, right? Now identifier, what's wrong with the identifier? The slash dot API, something you can give. It's all fine.
Yeah, it's I gave, sir. Is it okay?
Okay. Yeah, that is fine.
Menu quickfire.com. Okay. Create.
Create. Now
Hmm.
add those permissions.
Okay. So same CRUD do I need to give or else different things, sir?
Same
Anything?
CRUD itself. Same CRUD, same CRUD.
Okay.
We don't have our what to say requirements or anything, right?
Mm-hmm. Sir, hope everything is going fine.
Yeah. All these things are fine. That's why I'm being quiet.
Okay. Add an authorization details tab.
Are we
Just
adding these sort of things? No, right?
yeah. So I have
Done,
added all
bro. Yes. Now what do you
just
have to do? You have to create
assign these
you have to
permissions.
add this. Yeah, add these APIs into the roles first.
Yes, sir. So assign these permissions to the roles.
Yeah.
Now going to the roles and here shall I assign it to customers?
No, this is a restaurant, right? So where should
Okay, okay.
we be giving it?
Restaurant admins.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Go to that role.
Okay. Next, what's assign those roles to permissions to roles and people. We need to also assign these roles to the people now.
Yeah.
So
Go to restaurant admins itself. How are we going to assign roles?
okay, restaurant admins users. Sir, users only, no?
Yeah, users only. See if the permissions are shown there. Are the permissions visible?
Yes, sir. Permissions are visible.
Okay.
All the four permissions are visible. Next, the
Okay.
users. Uh, only four users are there, sir.
No,
So
that we have already added long back, right? Now add new users with those permissions.
okay. Uh, sorry, sir, I didn't get you. Do I need to add new users or else
That's what I'm
just
trying to
assign those?
say. This is the previous one. No, these users have already no, not create new users. The new users we have added. We have already added 10 new users, right?
Yes, yes, yes. So they'll be showed up here also,
Yeah,
right?
we need to add them. Yeah, those two is fine. Leave that as it is. Let's move on with this. Let's finish this thing off.
Hmm.
Now, what do you have to do? You have to create. What's next? What's the next step?
We have to assign those roles to the people.
Now that has been assigned, right? You have added the roles here, no? So
Yeah,
they'll
yeah.
be eventually getting the permissions, right? If you have assigned
Yes,
the permission properly.
yes, sir. I also added the people.
Hmm.
So this step is completed, right?
Yeah, that is now. Now create a new organization.
Okay.
Just create a new organization and add, what to say, add that connection. Let's add Facebook and this connection. That's it.
Okay.
Okay, add organization.
Hmm. And here also save. Okay. Before going to save, we will go to the connections and
Okay,
add connection. Just
yeah,
Facebook.
just Facebook.
Okay. What about the database connection, sir?
Yeah, we should add that as well, but for our use case, and you know how to add it, right?
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
So this is
Simple,
only
same
enough.
way, in the same manner,
Hmm.
right?
And that is enough only.
Yeah. Create a new organization. Connections must be Google and Facebook. So I need to also add a connection for Google.
Okay, do that, please.
Two connections, and there are no members.
Okay, you need to add the members as well, right? Just add them.
Yeah.
Add any two, three users.
Uh, I'll add some new people, sir. Ananya,
Okay,
Neha, Priya. Ananya, Neha, Priya.
okay, done. That's it, right?
Yeah.
We have to do something else.
No, sir. Maybe.
Okay, now all I guess almost you have covered most of the things, right?
Yes,
Okay,
sir.
so just add a small icon as well for Burger King, where it looks fine.